Hello, welcome to my first review. This review is going to be of the Mustang P51. Now, here is the model, the Mustang P51. It's from Volantex, which is a Chinese company. Now, Chinese are making very good models these days. You know, they're well priced and very good, very well made. This is made of the durable EPO material. It's 4-channel. Let's get on with the review. As I said, here is your model in the box. This is the PNP version. Here's the specs. I don't know whether you can see that. These colours here are of the Northwest Territories in the United States of America. Bit tight for room here, but I'm sure we'll manage. Put that away over there. Well, here it is, all in the box, nicely packed. Instruction manual. This is for all of the different models, with the receivers. 180A brushless PS, 2206 1800 kV brushless outrunner. Let's have a look inside. There we go. I'm going to start off with the decals. Very nice decals. Right, here we go. First of all, have the wings, nice and strong, ailerons. We have a strengthening bar here, and we have strengthening bars on the aileron tips, which is unusual. So very well made, very strong. This is very detailed. You see the pot rivets, the fuel tanks, machine guns, servos built in. It's very good, very well made. Has the invasion stripes on it as well. So pre-1941. Or should I say after 1941. Here's the fuselage. Again, very well detailed. The exhaust pipes. Nice little pilot. I don't know whether you can see our little pilot here. It's very good. Have the motor here, which feels very nice. We have the tail wheel here, which moves with the rudder. As I said, the colouring is from the Northwestern Territories of the United States. Here's the tailplane. Again, very well made. Has strengthened bars across it, here and here. It's very unusual for a model this size. That is very well made. And of course we have our bag of goodies. And what a bag of goodies we have. We have a spinner there. We have the undercarriage with the wheels already fitted. Nuts and bolts. We have some spare control horns. We have 2 props and a screwdriver. What a nice little bag of goodies we have there. Can't beat that, can you? There we go. So, this is what we have in the box. One very nicely detailed Mustang. The wings, very nicely made, as I said. Bag of goodies. There we go. What a great little kit, as I said, from Volantex in, as I say, made in China. Well, there you go. I will show you in my next video how to build this wonderful little model. Thanks for viewing. Please subscribe, and I'll see you soon, I hope. Thank you for watching.